here. Today we have another short and sweet video. Today we're doing what's done and what's new. So let's get on with it, shall we? Now this AOA Studio Tea Tree Oil, I can't find it at Shop Miss A, but I do plan to either get a tea tree toner. This is, I'm currently was putting this into my Tree toner, or I'll get some more tea tree oil from Sage or some other place. So it's the only one that doesn't have a roll-in or what. Part of my last project pan, and then I just finished it organically, although you can see there's stuff there, but I can't spray it up. Nope. So that's done. This is the 7 Virtues Jasmine Neroli. Loved it, but I have way too many fragrances right now to think about purchasing it. So too bad for that. But I replaced it in this project pan with Atelier Cologne Bois Blonde. It's nice. It's subtle, so it would probably work in an office unless it's completely like no fragrance at all. It's, you know, but it's too subtle for me. I like it a little bit more there. I like it a little bit more bold than that. So I had the, I think I still have 1 or 2 of the clean reserve fragrances, and they're just too subtle for me. I mean, it was great when I worked in an office, but no, not for my liking. So this is a bit of a spoiler for my beauty project pan, but it's done. This is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask, and it's completely done. This is the second of these masks that I've finished, and I love it and will repurchase, but I've got a lot of masks to get through first. What I'm using in its stead is this e.l.f. Hydrating Gel Mask. Just used it this morning, and it's very nice. It's a little silicone-y, but I would purchase this again. I did enjoy it. So that's what I'm currently using in my beauty project pan now. And the last of what's done and what's new is my Oralb Glide Pro Health dental floss. This is my favorite brand and favorite type of their brand or line from their brand, the Pro Health. But my husband got me this one, and it's the Oralb Advanced Comfort Plus Floss, and it's nice. It's just, it's waxed. I don't personally really like waxed, but I've got a few of these to get through, so hopefully he'll get me these ones next time, or I'll order these ones off Amazon next time once all of these. I've got like 3 or 4 more of these because he got them at Costco. So yeah, but they're good. I just prefer these ones. So that is my what's done and what's new for October 2025. See you in my next one. Bye, loves.
For me, break, for me, break the body for me, what?